In this video, you'll learn how to install the Zotero desktop app and browser extension. We'll start at the VCC Library homepage, library.vcc.ca. Find the green search box at the top of the page. Select the second tab, Articles and Resources by Subject. Click the drop-down list. Scroll to the very bottom of the list to find the Zotero guide. Click Go. Click the link to the Zotero guide. Now click the link labeled Download and install Zotero. Now we're on the Zotero website, zotero.org. Click the red button labeled Download. There are two parts you'll need to install, the desktop application and the browser connector. The website is showing me the Mac version of the desktop application. If you're using Windows, it will show you that version. If you're looking for another version for a different operating system, click Other Versions. And we can see that Zotero is also available for Linux. Click the download button for your preferred operating system. When the file is downloaded, open it up. Install Zotero as you would any other application. Now we can see a screen that reads Success! You installed Zotero. Next, we'll need to install a connector. This is a browser extension that allows you to save references from your web browser to your Zotero library. Zotero works with all major browsers. I'm using Firefox, so I'm seeing the Zotero connector for Firefox. But if I scroll down and click the link that says Show All Connectors, I can see that Zotero also works with Chrome, Safari, and Edge. Click the Install Connector link for your preferred browser. I'll select Firefox. The installation process will look different depending on which browser you use. Click Continue to Installation, or OK, or Allow, or Add Extension when you see the prompts. Now, if I click the extensions icon in my browser, I can see Zotero Connector is available, and I can click on it to run the extension. Click Got it, and that's it. Now you can use Zotero. For an introduction to the Zotero plugin for Microsoft Word, watch the next video in this series.